Hey guys, so let's look at this question on variation. Remember, variation has four types. Variation shows the relationship between two quantities. It has four types. One is a direct variation. The second one is the inverse variation. The third one is the one we call the joint variation. And the fourth is the partial variation. So you look at this question, the question says, given that y minus 4 varies directly, that's showing that it is direct variation. So how do we work on this problem? It's quite very simple. As the square of x, and that y is equal to 7 when x is equal to 1. Find the value of y when x is equal to 3. So let's look at the solution to this problem quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to interpret this. Y minus 4 varies directly as the square of x. This is the square of x. So what's the first thing you need to do? You need to change this symbol for variation. This proportionality sign I introduced equals k. So that way you say y minus 4 equals k. Then you have this x squared. You can see that this equal to k is replacing this proportionality sign. That is the first step. The next thing you want to do is to look for the value of k. Originally, k has not been, the value of k has not been given in this particular problem. We introduce it, so we need to find what k is. And remember, for you to get this k, you need to plug in the parameters for y. They have given us y to be 7 and x 1. So you can see, since y has been given as 7 and then x equal to 1, let's plug y value and x value into this equation. Let's make this 1 and let's make this 2. This equation is supposed to be equation 1, but just let's list it like that. So when you plug this here, we just have 7 in place of y minus 4 equals k into x here is 1 all squared. All right, what is 1 squared? 1 squared is 1, right? So k times 1, that will be k. And 7 minus 4, that will be 3. Therefore, k will be equal to 3. Now, we found k to be 3, but that's not the real deal. What we are actually looking for is to find the value of y when x is equal to 3. So what do we need to do? Let's create the relationship between x and y. How do I achieve that? Is to substitute this k for this equation 2. And to achieve that, we just say y minus 4 equal to, in place of this k, we substitute this 3, and then we have x squared. This shows the relationship between x and y, right? But we're not so much interested in the relationship. We're concerned about the value of y. So how do I achieve that? Remember, x has been given as 3 in this case. So we want to look for this y. So y minus 4 equal to, let's plug this 3 into this particular point. Here we have 3 squared. It is completely wrong if you do this. 3 multiplied by 3, and that gives you 9. 9 squared, you have 81. That is not correct, because this 3 can have access to this 3 inside the bracket. The first thing you must do is to make sure that you take the square of this 3, and that gives you 9. Then multiply 9 by this 3, that will be 27. You can see the margin between 81 and 27. You would have failed that question. So don't do that next time if you intend to do that. Y minus 4 will be equal to 3 squared, that will be 9. 9 times 3, 27. So the last point of this question is that we're looking for y. So you need to take off this negative 4. And for you to achieve that, you need to add 4 to both sides of the equation, because positive 4 is what will remove this negative 4. So you add 4 to both sides. So that remains y equals, because negative 4 plus 4, that will be 0. So y will be equal to 27 plus 4, that gives you 31. And this is the solution to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and when I upload new video, you get notification. And please share this video. Peace out.